Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the final product. These are the lashes that you are going to get. Learn how to go from literally no lashes to boom falsies without being falsies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. So first off, I'm going to start by showing you guys the mascaras I use every day, kind of telling you the process before I actually go in and do it with you guys. So the first thing that I do, I have one mascara that I use for actual product. This is the only mascara that that actually has product in it. All the other mascaras I finished, but I just use their wands, which is very, very important. You need a range of wands to kind of like brush everything out and then layer it and then just you'll see what I'm talking about as I get into it. The actual mascara that I use for product itself is the huge Stila Extreme Lash Mascara. This sometimes can get pretty chunky and thick on my eyelashes, so then I will go in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara because the wand is perfect for brushing out kind of where it gets clumpy, and it's just really good for also lengthening your lashes. This I find helps so much. I've been through like 4 tubes of Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced and I love it. I will also then take this Maybelline waterproof mascara. This is super old, so like the label is off of it and stuff, but this is perfect for building thickness. Then I have my favorite. This is the They're Real by Benefit. I just have a small one because this again also is used to separate your lashes because they have the perfect little bristles. They have the perfect little bristles on the tip, which help you can really like go in individually instead of separating the whole. So I'm going to take my Stila Huge Mascara and the wand is like loaded up. My first tip for your eyelashes is whenever you're doing your makeup, your eyelashes, it's really important to have like a little handheld mirror that you can look down and like kind of go up. This is super important if you've already done your eyeshadow and you want to try and get as least amount of mascara on your actual eyelid. So I'm going to take my Stila mascara and look down and start all the day and night time. Hear me sigh, rush on you. So this is kind of what it looks like just with one layer. Immediately after this, I don't double layer my mascara. I will go into my Better Than Sex and kind of go from root to tip again to brush everything out and to get everything separated. So this is pretty much just an empty mascara wand, but I do love the way that the bristles work for my lashes. They're perfect for separating and lengthening. Now, I don't know if you can tell, my eyelashes are super kind of separated and light and feathery, and that's exactly where we want them to be. Now, going back for the second layer of your Stila lash, preferably get a mascara with a whole bunch of bristles that are kind of put together very closely and not very spread out. That way it'll really like build the product onto your eyes. All the day and night time, hear me sigh. I don't know if you guys noticed, but in this specific one, instead of going from root to the tip of my lashes, I'm just doing the tip of my lashes. That will help lengthen and kind of thicken the part where people will actually see and it won't look super clumpy at the bottom of your lashes. On you, sweetie pie, all the day and night time, hear me sigh, rush on you. Sweetie pie, all the day and night time. Hopefully now you can see that the lashes are starting to build up, which is perfect. This is exactly what we wanted to happen. If you think that they're kind of getting clumpy at the tips, you can always go back in with the empty bristled brush and kind of spread them out. What I do, honestly, from here, I just wait and I let them kind of dry a bit before I make any touches to them, because usually at this point, they're where I want them to be. I just want them to come off longer and bigger and thicker. So I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and just clean my, my lids. A tip that I do have for you girls out there with a little bit shorter lashes, totally fine. What I've done a lot of people's homecoming and prom makeup and just makeup for costumes, stuff like that. So what I always do is I'll take the mascara wand and kind of angle their eyelashes more outwards than straight. So kind of start angling your eyelashes, especially out here at the edge, and it'll really like accentuate your eyes, make them look longer, make them look kind of more lifted. That's a really good tip for you girls who do have shorter lashes. So I'm just gonna keep layering the tip of it. Just the tip of my mascara so that it keeps getting long. Hear me sigh, I never. So you can already start to see the length difference just as long as you keep going around, like, it doesn't make sense. You can already start seeing the length difference between both eyes just as you keep layering only on the tip, not through the whole lash. So as you keep layering through the tip, that makes no sense. I don't know. Another key tip is do not forget and do not miss the inner corner of your eye. Those lashes need attention too. That will really help make you look like you have a full set of lashes. Every single lash is coated. You really will like just make your eyes pop. This eye came out flawless. This eye, the lashes are starting to clump together, which always happens. So this is the perfect time to go in with my They're Real by Benefit, which has a smaller brush and bristles at the very tip of the brush, so I can specifically go into whatever lashes I need. Hear me sigh, I've got a crush on you, sweetie pie. So about the time that my eyelashes come to about the same length, that's usually when I stop. So this is kind of what it would look like, but we're not finished. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip and clean my eyelids for whatever mascara came off. For my bottom lashes, all that I do is I take the same Stila mascara and I don't do that whole process again. I just coat them pretty well. All the day and night time, hear me sigh, rush on you, sweetie pie. All the day and night time. So you might have thought that we were done, but we're not. So first you're gonna go under your eye and clean it up. Then I have tips and tricks for you guys to kind of darken your lash line and to make your eyes look a little bit bigger. Take some eyeliner and I'll make a super thin line on top of my eyelid and then on my waterline. I know it's harder for some people to kind of do eyeliner on their waterline and stuff, not on your lower waterline, like on the top. And I feel that that really makes your eyelash line look darker and more full. Next, what I do to make my eyes look a little bit bigger and wider, I will take a kind of nude like water pencil. I will kind of take a nude pencil. This is in the shade 005 Nude from Rimmel London. I love this one, it's super creamy. And I'll just put that on my waterline at the bottom. All the day and night time, hear me sigh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Disclaimer, I do know that me having naturally a little bit longer eyelashes did play a role in this, but I do believe that if you guys honestly followed the tips that I told you guys and really focused on the tips of your lashes, you guys will have amazing lashes as well. And it's all in the brush. That's why every mascara has pretty much a different brush, because they all are made for specific things. So really kind of look up and see what kind of brush you want, what kind of eyelashes you want, what they use, and then buy your mascaras accordingly. That's definitely a helpful hint. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload. And I hope you guys have an amazing day. I hope you guys come back to see me, and I hope you guys enjoy your new lashes. Bye! All the day and night time, hear me sigh.